In this small UI tutorial, we'll understand how we can create a rounded corner for image. I will explain two different ways of achieving this. So without wasting time, let's get started. First and the simple way for getting the border around the image is by using the ClipRRect. As the child of this, I'm going to use image.network. So we have got the image. Inside this ClipRrect, we have property called border radius. So as I want border from all the sides, I will use border radius dot circular. Let's pass 16 pixel. We have to use property called fit, and for this I will use say box fit dot cover. So let's save the code, and you can see we have got this rounded corner. Now let's understand another way, that is by using container. For this I need to remove everything from here, and here I will use container. Then here we have property called decoration. Inside this we'll use say box decoration. So let's write here say decoration image, and inside this decoration image we have property again called image. Here we have to pass network image, so let's write network image. So save the code. Yeah, we have got the image without the border. So let's again use here border radius dot circular, so that will get the border on all the sides. Let's use 16 pixel. Let's use here say box fit dot cover, and when I save the code, you can see we have got the rounded corners here. One of the most important advantage of using the container over the ClipRrect is by using container we can apply white color border around the image. Let me show how we can do this. First of all, we need to change the background color of scaffold. So I will use here gray color for the scaffold. Fine. And now here in this box decoration we have a property called say border. So here I will write border dot all. So we'll use say width of say 5 pixels. So I will use here colors dot white, so that will get white color border. If you want the rounded corner to appear only for specific side, that's also possible. So instead of using this border radius dot circular, we can use only here. Using this only property, you can see we have options like top left, top right, bottom left and bottom right, using which we can control the rounded corner for specific side only. Let me use here say vertical, and for this vertical it will ask you two different values, whether you want it from the top side or you want it from the bottom side. For this top we have to use here say radius dot circular, and let me pass here say 16 pixel. Let's save the code, and you can see now we have got borders only from the top side. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next video. If you really found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification button to get my latest videos.